Wait, before you regret not seeing this video before you open your YouTube channel, make sure to watch this video till the very end. I've seen a lot of people regretting. I wish I met you success before I opened my page, hustled and before I could monetize this. So now I'm about to show you a detailed step-by-step how to create a full monetizable YouTube channel with your phone. Even if you have an Android or iPhone, this video is for you. How you can create a monetizable YouTube channel in this 2025. Before you will regret, make sure to watch this video. Do not skip any part of this video. Make sure to apply every detail so that you won't make any mistake, so that you won't hustle so hard to get what you can easily do only if you watch this video. Watch this video till the very end so you know what to do and do it on time. And even if you already have a channel, please watch this video till the very end and apply every single detail to your own channel. And I'm not only showing you how to just create a YouTube channel and leave it or start posting. No, I'll also be teaching you and showing you practically how you can optimize your channel and customize it. You don't just push your video and leave it that way. Somebody will come to your profile. It will look like Ojuju Calabar. Don't mind me anyway, but watch this video so you learn how to customize your channel, right? So now that you have known the importance of creating a channel, optimizing it and customization, let's dive into the practical section. To create a YouTube channel, first thing, open your normal app. If you don't have it, of course it comes with every phone, but if you don't have it, kindly download YouTube app, right? As you can see, this is a clean YouTube account, right? You first own a new YouTube account. They're telling you to subscribe to people that you like so they can bring more of those people's videos to you. That's how they say target audience. When you start watching maybe movies from this type of person, you are already their target audience, right? So they will keep pushing such videos to you so you can consume more of it. They say try searching to get started. So know the type of content that you love, and then they will push it to your side so you can view more of them. So this is a new YouTube account, and from this new account you create a brand new YouTube channel. Let's dive into creating a new channel. First, yes, you can see this is my name, and then below it you see create a channel, right? Click on create channel. Once you do, it will take a little time. Please relax. Of course, we're not rushing to anywhere, right? It will take a little time. Then here you can decide to fill this in, but first let's click on create channel, because most persons already have a channel, right? But they do not know. So once you click on create channel, your channel will be created immediately. So now you're just looking at a brand new YouTube channel just created right now. Next, tap on this pencil icon right here. Look closely. Tap on the pencil icon so we can be able to start editing. Please, if this is what you saw on your own, that means you already have a channel. Do not bother yourself. As you can see, this is how it looks now. So all you need to do is to tap on this pencil icon just as I indicated. So most of you already have channels, but you do not know, right? So once you see this, know that you have one, and do not bother yourself unless you want to create a new one. You can follow these steps and create a new one, or use the old one you have already. Edit it just like we are going to do right now. Okay, follow these steps, click on the pencil icon so we edit, fix what needs to be fixed, and then you customize, and that is it. First click on your name and remove it. Add, if you want edit with success, gist with whoever that your name is. You can actually write celebrity gist as a name. It doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter. Once you fill in your name, you can decide to change your handle to any name of your choice. Once it's accepted, click on save, and that is it. You can change anything that you want here. Your pictures, add a picture to it. You can add banner. You can edit anything here, and you can do that once in 14. You can do that twice. I mean, that's twice in 14 days. You do that twice, not just once. So that is once in a week, once in a week, that's twice in 14 days. So you have no problem here. Even if you do not know the exact name that you want, you can change that in 14 days, right? So now we have Gist with Amma right here, ready to start creating. As you can see, they told you to create a video already, right? So once you tap on the create, you upload your first video and that is it. But before uploading your first video, there are a few things that you need to add to your channel, which is customizing your channel. To customize your channel, go to Chrome, then type in YouTube Studio right there. Type in YouTube Studio. Customizing your channel, make sure you click on these three dots right here and make sure that your Chrome is in desktop side. Click on desktop side and make sure that it's in desktop side so you can be able to customize your channel using just your phone. Once you are here, click on this customize arrow right here and it will open up. Then you go to profile, right? Here you can add your profile banner. Your name is here, your first video, what people see immediately they come to your channel, and lots of things right here, which includes the channel description, right? Once you get to anybody's channel, you see for mine, you see where I said I'm a video editor, and in my other channels, you state what you are doing, right? Here you can also add your email and lots of things right here. So once you come here, you take your time. Please do not rush, right? You can always visit here as often as possible. Take your time, right? No rush, no pressure. Take your time and customize it. If you do not even have banner, you can do that later and come back to place it. Now let's go over to the second one while we are here. You have two things to do right now. Just do the same thing that you already did. YouTube Studio, make sure that it's in desktop sites, right? Yes. So click on YouTube Studio, and when it gets there, this one we have to do it with landscape, right? When I notice that when it's in portrait, just like this, you will not see it, right? But once you turn your phone to landscape, you can be able to see it now. Okay, once you do it, you see settings. Okay, this is settings right here. You click on settings. This is where you need to add the right information to your channel. So once you get to settings, go to channel. You see general settings, then you see channel. Click on channel, scroll down, you see keywords, right? Then you fill in the keywords that you need, right? This is you telling the YouTube algorithm what your channel is all about. Here, if you are into foxtail, you add foxtail, anything that is related to this your channel, you state it here. Anything that you do, if like you are editing a video, you are into editing of video, you write CapCut tutorial, YouTube this, video editing, okay, this is me giving you insights, right, on what you put in the channel keywords. Anything that is related is what you put here. Make sure to fill in every keyword that is related so that whenever people search for anything concerning what you do, they will show them these things, right, so they can be able to see your videos. After that, go to advanced here. Just check these things, go to advanced. You will link your email and every other thing in the feature eligibility. So in this advanced, you have only few things to do. Then check this eligibility. One is eligible already. The intermediate one, you have to connect your phone number. You verify your phone number. Click on it. Once you click on it, then the next thing you will do, they'll ask you to put in your phone number. Just insert your phone number right here, and they will send you a code. Impute it, and that is it. You'll be able to post a 15 minutes video. Without this, you cannot post a 15 minutes video on your channel. So that is it. The last one is what you do, but not immediately. That's why I said once in a while, come back here, put new things, and that is it, right? Like I said earlier,
Like I said earlier, no rush, no pressure. Just when you do these ones that you can do now, you come back later. Once in a while, you can decide to change your banner. The funny thing is, once you start, before maybe 1 month, 2 months, you must have gathered a lot of information. You must have known a lot of things that you do not know now. Right? You have experience by then. And now you can be able to, tell yourself some things, right? That you can be able to say, I don't like this banner anymore. Oh, look at the banner I even added to mine. You will laugh at yourself at some point, right? So this is what you do. Change your channel location to where you are, to your country, right? And then go to these things. These are the few things that you need to increase now. And once done, your channel is ready. Feel free to go to other sites, yeah, apart from channel, go just scroll down everything there to see how it is, right? Just do not turn on or turn off anything. After everything, click on save right here. You save your work and that is it.
So that's that. That is how to create a YouTube channel. Optimize and also customize it with just your smartphone, be it Android or iPhone. If you find this video helpful, if this video helped you, please like this video and let me know in the comments if you are already into YouTube content creation or thinking about how to start. And also subscribe to this channel because I'll be posting more valuable videos and tips that will help you grow. My name is Success and I wish you success. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.